In today's video, we will recreate email template by Airbnb in Figma and export this template as HTML email template from Figma using Marco Email Generator Figma plugin. We have screenshot and we have assets here, text and all images. So let's get started. Make sure you have installed the plugin, then run the plugin. First, let's create a new project. Let's put it here. Let's update width of our new project. Then let's create a logo and text block. To create these two blocks, go to the Assets tab on the plugin, then go to the Builder section and put block called one column. One column for logo 2. Command C. Make sure you have selected slot container, then Command V, then text, Command C, Command V. And then let's update alignment for the text, set fill container for the text, and center alignment. Also for the logo, select the slot container and then center alignment on the right sidebar for the logo. Let's select our template, then click on the preview. Everything is fine, but it seems like we need to set a smaller text size for the mobile for this logo. To do so, let's select text block, go to the properties section, and here you can find two options, font size for mobile and line height for mobile. Let's update this value to smaller font size, which will work for mobile. Preview, and it's better. The next step is full width image. To insert this image, select our template, then we have in the layout section we have special block, drag and drop this block into an image, then Command C image, select slot container block, Command V, and fill container for this image. One column container, and you can either copy your existing text, or for example, you can put text from the block section and update characters, Command C, Command V, and set center alignment for the text. Okay, let's check what we have now. Select email, click on the preview. So the next step, let's recreate this block with icon, text, icon, image, text. Let's take all of these blocks, duplicate, then let's create a new one column block and put all our content here. I would recommend to use Command C, Command V to make sure you will place your image into slot container block. Command C, then select slot container, Command V, select title, slot container, V. Now we have these blocks. Let's update auto layout settings, alignment for the text, fill container, and select slot container, then on the right sidebar, align all content on center, and update space between blocks. And to insert the button, you can go to the blocks and then insert a button here. Now we have this block. Let's select our template. Let's go to the footer. Here we see a divider, then one more block, one divider, and footer. To recreate a footer, we need to, it seems like here are two blocks. First, it's a logo with text and social icons on the right, and block with store buttons and small text blocks. To recreate these three blocks, let's put first block called space between. With this block, we can recreate these two items, then two one column blocks. I have a Command C, Command V, C, Command V. I pasted a logo and text on the left and social icons on the right, but it seems like social icons placed vertically. We need them horizontally. So to update this alignment, turn on the UI, then select Slow Container, and on the Auto Layout section, switch this toggle to the horizontal alignment. And as an example, to place social icons to the right side, we can use Auto Layout settings here. And for text, make sure you have set fill container. And space between two items. Okay, next, store buttons. You can grab these buttons here or get these from the blocks section. Here is a block called store buttons. And one text block below. This is how it works. So let's check if everything is correct. Select template, click on the preview button. As you can see on the preview section, these dashed borders are not visible. It's only for the designing section. Seems like everything is fine. And one important thing for images. As you can see, our icons have black fill. And on dark mode, it's important to use images with white background to make sure all your images will look correct on the dark mode in different email clients. And your social icons too are visible. So it's time to check how our template will work on different email clients. To do so, export. So let's start with Gmail. It seems like everything worked fine, even border radius. And all dividers works too. iPhone, Outlook. It looks correct on Outlook too. And Outlook dark mode. As you can see, images work fine. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment